How to hide Instagram chats. For this, you have to go ahead and log into your Instagram app and then first and foremost tap on your profile icon and then tap on the hamburger icon and go to settings. Select account and tap on switch to professional account and then continue to all of this. Now once you do that, select a category and then tap on done. Once you do that, you can choose business or creator, it's up to you. Then tap on don't use my contact info. Here, skip this process and skip this as well. Now let's head to the main part. So tap on your DM section at the top and from here you have to press and hold a chat and then tap on move to general. Now once it is successfully moved, you have to go ahead and repeat the same process, only this time you have to switch it back to your personal account. For that, go to settings, go to your account, tap on switch account type and choose personal. Then once your account is successfully switched back to your personal account, and you have to head back to your home and then check your DM section. So right here you will see there are no messages right here. Now if you want to see your messages, you have to again turn on your professional mode and you'll be able to find your messages there. However, in personal mode you won't be able to see any of those messages. Isn't it a cool hack? So make sure to give it a try and thank you so much for watching.